Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the flamingo from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So let's get started. To draw this cute flamingo, let's first start by drawing a circle for the eye. So I'm going to come right here, draw a circle. And I'm going to come right on the side right here on the top edge and draw another circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. Okay, so we have this big eye in. From there, we're going to start to draw the beak. So imagine the beak is at this angle right here. So just give it a little bit of space. So about in this area, I'm just going to start with a big curve. Comes down. So that's your goal right there. And then from there, I'm going to start and bring this beak all the way down. So pretty long beak. So about there. Then I'll round off the tip a little bit and bring it right back up. And I'll just give it some details right here. So I'll just add a curve right here. And then this part right here is black, but I'll do that when I color, but I just want to show you this little tip part. And then from there, let's start to draw the head. So right here on this edge, this corner right here, let's start to go up. So when we go up, we're going to go up around the eye. So go up around this eye, and about right here, I'll start to slope down. So it's really close to the eye. And then about right here, I'm going to start to slant down. So this is the part right here. Just kind of slant it a little bit flatter. And bring it down. So then right here, we're going to start to draw the bottom. So let's come right here where the beak is. A little curve and around. Just going to round the eye. So before I forget, let's come to the side right here. We're going to draw the other eye. So about right here. From there, let's start to draw the neck. So I'm going to bring this down. And I'm a little bit too sharp right here. So I'm just going to fix that a little bit. Get a little rounder. Okay, so then right under here, we're going to start the neck. So get a little curve and then start to come out. And we're going to give this neck a little curve, just slightly, so it's not too stiff. And we're going to bring it all the way down because flamingos have really long necks, right? So say about that much. Flare it out a little bit. And I'll stop and I'll continue to bring this down for the body. Now before we draw the bottom, let's come back to the top, say about in this area, and I'm going to draw a curve with a slight hump, just very slightly, and come down. But before I finish the rest of it, if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish it. But I want to come right here and start the wing. So close to the neck, about right here. I'll start and draw this wing that comes out. And we're just imagining this flow that's coming out. That's our goal right here. It's continuation of this flow coming down. And about right here, flare it out. So not too far out. Nice and compact, and bring it in. And we're just slowly building the body. So come back right here. Just take a look. So just go ahead and connect my wing. About right there. And whatever space you have left, just taper this in. And then for the bottom, right here, same thing, just connect it with a curve. So towards the center area, it's going to be a little bit lower, and then it's going to start to go up. And then just tuck it right in under the wing. So just imagine this kind of peaked oval on both top and bottom. From there, I'm going to add a little curve right in this area, so like where the other wing would be. So about right here. Come out and tuck it in. There, pretty much done. So except for the feet, right? So in Roblox, obviously we don't draw the feet, but we don't draw the legs, just the feet. So right underneath, just give it some good space because they have long legs too. So about right here, I'll start slant in a line right here, this curve, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with two curves. So we're going to do the same thing right next to it, a tiny bit lower. So we just want it, it's about in this area. Same thing, just slant and curve and connect. And that is pretty much it. Hope I made this flamingo drawing from Roblox easy and fun for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching. And if you love these Adopt Me pets, please make sure to check out my playlist and also subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.